everybody. This is Margie Meacham, and today with me I have Dr. Soraya Valles Marti. She is a senior lecturer at the University of Valencia, and she is going to be one of our speakers on our Brain Matters online conference. So welcome, Doctor.
Hello.
Doctor, I'd like you just to start by telling us a little bit of the work that you were doing there in Valencia.
Well, I'm working in brain and all the cells in brain, astrocytes, microglia, oligodendroglia, and neurons. And the relationships between these cells and the action of different toxics like amyloid beta in Alzheimer's disease, for example, or cannabinoids, cocaine, etc. And one of the directions that now I want to continue is the work with cancer and brain.
So there's a lot of very promising research, very hopeful research about cancer in the brain that I've been seeing lately. Do you think that we will find a way to cure or even prevent cancer in the near future, or is it something that is farther down the road?
Yes, I think we can do it because cancer is only when one cell don't want to work. The cell don't want to work, only want to reproduce continuum. So we need to discover which kind of molecules of proteins are talking between cells to convince to start to work and forget it to reproduce in the body. So now, this is...
Go ahead.
Sorry. This is the important thing about cancer. We need to understand all the relationship between neurons, the relationship between astrocytes and the, for example, and the neuron and astrocytes together in the brain. If we can understand what kind of words they are talking and what kind of proteins they are producing in these conversations, we can stop cancer.
Well, you know, that's very interesting. I love the way you describe it, that the cells are talking to each other and you need to understand the words. Before we started the interview, you said the cells are always talking, particularly the neurons. Can you, for us lay people, can you tell us when you say that the cells are talking, how do they do that?
For example, if interleukin 1, for example, interleukin 1 is a cytokine. Interleukin 1 is a cytokine that is produced when inflammation starts to be high in the body. It's a little molecule, and one cell can produce this interleukin 1 and can speak with the other cell near the cell and to produce in the other cell the start to the inflammation, pre-inflammation in another cells. So all the inflammation is progressive in the field because interleukin 1 is producing cell to cell to cell and go on and go on. And in a moment, and all this produce in the same cell also that interleukin 1 can produce more interleukin 1 and another proteins like TNF, like INOS, like COX-2, other cells, other proteins, sorry. And these all proteins can produce and enhance inflammation in the brain or in another tissue. Do you understand me?
Yes, I do. And for our listeners, if you want to learn more and have a chance to actually talk to and chat with Dr. Marti, then you will need to come to Brain Manners 2015, November 10th and 11th. And we're looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.
Thank you very much.